Renewable energy does not end with building the installation. Reliable operation requires continuous supervision. That is why we created the Lighthief Renewable Energy Monitoring Center. Powered by our proprietary Lighthief monitoring and SCADA platform, operators oversee renewable energy assets around the clock. The system collects real-time data from inverters, grid analyzers, field controllers, and weather stations, giving operators full visibility of installation performance and grid parameters. The platform also enables active energy management. Operators can remotely control power and switching equipment, while the system can automatically adjust generation based on real-time electricity prices. Designed in accordance with the IEC 62443 cybersecurity standard, the Lighthief platform ensures secure and reliable operation. Take control of your renewable assets with Lighthief. Learn more at lighthief.energy.